Can we have Elena on stage with her models who worked on emotion of peace, yani ki Shanti, representing color white. I would like to call Manju Mahipal, who worked on feeling of boredom, representing in brown color. Can we have Manju on stage? Next is Megha Raj Kurre, who worked on emotion of sadness, representing in grey color. Big round of applause for Megha in grey. Next is J. Likhita, who represented happiness in color yellow. Can we have Likhita on stage? Next is Mahima Bhaskar, who worked on emotion of love, representing in pink color. Big round of applause for Mahima Bhaskar in pink. Next is Gayatri Yadu, who worked with Mahima, again representing love with color pink. Round of applause for Mahima. Sorry, Gayatri. Next is Sushmita Mandal, who worked on emotion of calmness, representing in shades of blue and green. Next is Khushi Rai, who worked on emotion of sexual desire, representing in wine color. Next is B. Anjita, who worked on emotion of anger, representing in red color. Round of applause for B. Anjita in color red. Next is Samiksha Gyavli, who worked on emotion of anger, represented in red color. Next is Khushbu Goyal, who worked on emotion of surprise, representing with violet and orange color. Round of applause for Khushbu Goyal. And last but not the least, we have Yukta Sahu, who worked on emotion of hate, represented with black color.